and famous, right? So serendipity is when you have a chain of events, right, that does not work out in your favor, but the synchronistic chain of futuristic event sort of outlay favorable and advantageous outcomes in your favor. So from a metaphysical perspective, coincidences is defined as synchronicity. Now coincidences is defined as coincidence from a scientific perspective, because from a primarily a scientific world have a radical materialistic worldview. And from a metaphysical perspective, metaphysics have a sort of idealistic, a staunch idealistic interpretation of coincidences. So from a radical materialistic, materialism basically means that when you have this philosophy that because of the physical body,